Hi, I'm Lorraine Santirosa with Agents of Veterans at HomeSmart Realty West. If you're currently in the market to purchase a home that has handicap accessible features, I might have a great opportunity for you. I just represented a buyer who purchased a fixer-upper and it has handicap accessible features, and he would love to have the opportunity, once it's renovated, to be able to have someone purchase it who would appreciate all the features that it has. This home was once owned by a Korean War veteran who was a recipient of the Purple Heart and Bronze Star medals. And he sustained some wartime injuries that had him wheelchair bound, and the Veterans Administration went ahead and renovated his home so that he could get in and out of his home. So this home has a couple of things. It has two designated handicap parking spaces out front with a placard. Over to the right of the property, there is a lift, so he would pull up to the lift, get in it, raise up to the ramp, go across the ramp and into the home. And once inside, the VA also renovated the master bathroom so that he could pull the wheelchair into the bathroom, also into the shower, and there are some ADA rails as well. So the sellers would love for the new buyer to be able to have the benefits of these features. So this is perfect for someone who has difficulty going up the stairs, is wheelchair bound, is maybe a disabled veteran, and would love or is looking for a home that has all these features so that they don't have to go ahead and put all these things in. If you or someone you know needs a home that has handicap accessible features, go ahead and reach out to me by messaging me below as soon as possible, because this home is going to be renovated and be available for the market come April 1st, and we'd love to hear from you before then so you can customize some of the features. And I'll see you on the next video.